Folks, in Georgia, a judge has handed down a maximum sentence to a black Georgia man who shot and killed a white teen, claiming the self-defense under the state's Stand Your Ground law. Convicted of involuntary manslaughter last month, Marcus Wilson will spend 10 years in prison for killing one of the teens in a truck who Wilson says yelled racial slurs and tried to run him and his white girlfriend off the road in Statesboro, Georgia in June 2020. Although the jury acquitted Wilson of the more severe charges, murder and aggravated assault, it found he was not justified in using his legal gun when he felt threatened by the white teens. You were there in Georgia, Robert. How is this playing?
Well, I have some of my friends were the attorneys on the case, Francis Johnson, Malawi Davis. We're hoping that this case, we have a different judgment on appeal. There, of course, will be a motion for a new trial. I'm not quite sure, and I need to read the opinion, how they can rule that there was a meritorious self-defense claim against a murder claim, but that did not go down to the involuntary manslaughter claim. Generally, the way that the law is applied is that it is a complete shield, that if you are deemed to be operating under self-defense to the higher charge, it also applies to the lesser included offenses thereafter. This is, of course, better than being convicted of the main charge of murder. However, this young man very clearly was acting in defense of himself. We saw the witness testimony from the girlfriend. There really was no contradictory information showing that he was operating within the coverture of the law. And particularly, and I want to point this out because we have this conversation often on gun rights in the Second Amendment. I need these white gun organizations to come in and file amicus briefs on his behalf. The NRA, if you want to claim that you are a gun organization and not just a neo-Confederate organization, this is the test case for you. The Georgia gun organizations that are out there, the major white ones that go show up at all the MAGA rallies, if you really say you are standing up for the unfettered constitutional right to self-defense as articulated in the Second Amendment, we need you showing up and providing legal help and legal defense and amicus briefs in a case of this nature, because we have to ensure that if we are going to say that we're going to have these rights, that they apply to all individuals, not just individuals flying a Confederate flag and wearing a MAGA hat. And I think it's an important case. I hope it gets more national attention than it's gotten thus far. And I think that eventually justice will be served in this case.
All right, folks, back to our Roland Martin Unfiltered video in just one moment.
When we invest in ourselves, our glow, our vision, our vibe, we all shine. Together, we are black beyond measure.
Folks, Black Star Network is here.
Oh, no punches!
I'm real revolutionary right now.
Support this man, Black Media. He makes sure that our stories are told.
Thank you for being the voice of Black America, Roland.
Stay black. I love y'all.
All momentum we have now, we have to keep this going.
The video looks phenomenal.
See, this difference between Black Star Network and black-owned media and something like CNN.
You can't be black-owned media and be scared.
It's time to be smart.
Bring your eyeballs home.
You dig?